Well, this is something that I bought about a month and a half ago, and it's a Kobalt chop saw from Lowe's. And sorry I didn't do an unboxing. I was in the middle of the project, the windowsill in the kitchen, making that into an actual windowsill like frame like that, because it was just a couple of 1 inch by 4 inch boards that were framing it. So this is pretty cool. Had another chop saw, an older one that was my dad's, and it would not turn at all, and I broke it doing it. So got this. It's got this cool thing here to keep the wood down while you're cutting it, and then you turn on the switch here. And then you press this safety in, and it starts. And it's got the bag in the back to catch the dust. So, I mean, it's awesome. I'd like to have other stuff to be able to use it for, so. But just wanted to show it. Sorry about not doing an unboxing. Was right in the middle of stuff, so like and subscribe.